Designing an outdoor kitchen is a fantastic way to extend your living space and elevate your cooking experience. It transforms your backyard into a culinary oasis, perfect for entertaining family and friends. This guide will cover everything you need to know, from planning to execution, to help you create a stunning outdoor kitchen that reflects your style and meets your cooking needs. To begin, assess your space by measuring your outdoor area to understand how much room you have. Consider factors like sun exposure, privacy, and proximity to your indoor kitchen. Next, define your purpose. Are you planning to entertain large groups, or is it just for family meals? This will influence the layout and features you need. Additionally, setting a budget is essential. Determine how much you're willing to spend, keeping in mind costs for appliances, materials, and installation. When it comes to essential features, think about your cooking appliances. A grill is a must-have, and you can choose between gas, charcoal, or built-in options based on your cooking style. You might also want to consider an oven or range, such as a pizza oven or a traditional stove, to expand your cooking options. A small fridge or cooler is helpful for keeping beverages and ingredients fresh, and ample counter space is necessary for food preparation. Incorporating a cutting board or a designated prep area can enhance functionality, and a prep sink makes cleaning and cooking outdoors much easier, reducing trips back inside. In terms of design ideas, there are various layout options to consider. A U-shaped design offers plenty of counter space and creates a natural flow for cooking and entertaining, while an L-shaped design is ideal for smaller areas, providing a compact yet functional setup. An island kitchen can serve as a social hub where guests can gather while you cook. For materials, durable, weather-resistant options like granite, quartz, or concrete are excellent for countertops, while stainless steel or weatherproof materials work best for cabinets. When selecting flooring, consider non-slip tiles, stone, or pavers that can handle outdoor conditions. Creating comfort and ambiance in your outdoor kitchen is also important. Incorporate comfortable seating like bar stools or an outdoor dining table to create inviting spaces for guests. Installing ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lights enhances the atmosphere for evening gatherings, and shade options such as pergolas, awnings, or umbrellas can protect against the sun, making the area more enjoyable. As you design your outdoor kitchen, keep in mind some additional tips. Integrating landscaping by surrounding your kitchen with plants or flowers can help it blend harmoniously with your outdoor space. Consider including cabinets and shelves for easy access to cooking tools and outdoor utensils. Adding fire features, such as a fire pit or outdoor fireplace, can provide warmth and ambiance during cooler evenings. Lastly, maintenance and care are crucial for keeping your outdoor kitchen in top shape. Regular cleaning of appliances and surfaces will ensure longevity and performance. Seasonal prep is also important. Winterizing your outdoor kitchen by covering appliances or moving perishables indoors during colder months will protect your investment. Regularly checking for wear and tear, especially on plumbing and electrical elements, will help maintain safety and functionality. In conclusion, designing your dream outdoor kitchen is an exciting project that enhances your home's outdoor experience. By carefully planning your space, choosing the right features, and considering comfort and ambiance, you can create a functional and stylish area that invites you to cook, dine, and entertain outside. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply enjoy hosting gatherings, an outdoor kitchen can be a beautiful addition to your lifestyle. Happy designing!